Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about angle grinders. These are powerful tools that can cut, grind, and polish. If you work with metal or stone, you'll want the best one you can get. We've tested many models this year. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 angle grinders of 2025. Each one stands out for power, safety, and value. We made this list to save you time and money. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, there's a grinder here for you. Want to check them out? All product links are in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5. Avid Power Angle Grinder. The Avid Power Angle Grinder is a strong and easy-to-use tool. It runs on a 7.5 amp motor and gives a max power of 900 watts. This grinder spins at 12,000 RPM, which makes it perfect for tough jobs like cutting, grinding, and polishing. This tool has a compact and slim design. It is light, which helps reduce tiredness during long work. The 2-position side handle gives better grip and more control, whether you're right or left-handed. Changing wheels is quick and easy with the spindle lock. This lets you switch grinding or cutting discs without trouble. The safety guard protects you from sparks and flying metal, keeping your hands and face safe. The grinder is made from aluminum and ABS plastic, making it both strong and light. It works well for metal work, rust removal, or even cleaning surfaces. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool is built to last and easy to use. The box includes everything you need: a handheld grinder, 2 metal grinding wheels, 2 cutting wheels, 1 flap disc, 1 spanner, 1 side handle, and a user manual. Before using, make sure to wear safety gear like gloves and goggles. With the Avid Power Angle Grinder, your cutting and grinding jobs become faster, easier, and safer. Number 4. Makita XAG04Z 18V Angle Grinder. The Makita XAG04Z is a cordless angle grinder made for power and ease. It uses an 18V lithium-ion battery, sold separately, and has a brushless motor for better performance and longer life. This tool can cut, grind, and sand many materials like tile, concrete, and metal. The automatic speed change feature helps the tool adjust its speed and power based on the job. This gives you smoother and faster results. It also has active feedback sensing technology, AFT, which turns the motor off if the wheel stops suddenly. This helps keep you safe during use. Because the brushless motor has no carbon brushes, it runs cooler and lasts longer. It also uses less battery power, giving up to 50% more runtime per charge. The tool is designed to match power and speed to each task, making it very efficient. The Makita XAG04Z is part of Makita's large 18V cordless tool system. These batteries charge fast, so you can spend more time working and less time waiting. The tool also has star protection technology, which helps prevent overheating, overloading, or draining the battery too much. This angle grinder is light, strong, and easy to hold. It works with both LXD and compact 18V batteries that have the star symbol. It gives you the power of a corded tool without the cord. Whether you're cutting pipe, smoothing concrete, or working on tiles, this grinder is a smart choice for any job. Number 3. DCK Angle Grinder. The DCK 4.5-inch angle grinder is a strong and easy-to-use power tool. It runs on a 6.7 amp motor with 800 watts of power. The grinder spins up to 11,800 RPM, making it great for heavy-duty tasks like cutting and grinding metal or wood. This tool is compact and light, weighing only 4.4 pounds. The grip is slim and fits well in your hand, which makes it easy to use for long jobs without getting too tired. It's ideal for both home users and professionals like metal workers or plumbers. The spindle lock helps you change wheels quickly. A slide switch with lock-on lets you keep the grinder running without holding the button the whole time. The 2-position handle adds comfort and better control during use. The grinder comes with 2 types of safety guards to protect you from flying dust or metal. It also has strong metal gears, a dust-proof design, and a filter to keep the tool clean. The automatic brush shutoff helps the motor last longer. This tool is very flexible. It includes 6 discs, 2 for cutting, 2 for grinding, and 2 flap discs. You can use it for many jobs like cutting iron pipes, trimming tiles, or fixing wooden furniture. The DCK grinder fits standard sizes with a 7/8-inch arbor and a 5/8, 11 UNC spindle. Inside the box, you'll you'll find 2 safety guards, 6 discs, a side handle, a spanner wrench, and 2 carbon brushes. It's a reliable and powerful tool for many projects. Number 2. Bosch Angle Grinder. The Bosch GWS 8-45 Angle Grinder is a light and powerful tool. It weighs only 4.2 pounds, making it easy to hold and use for long periods. The slim grip design adds comfort, so your hands won't get tired quickly. This grinder has a 7.5 amp motor that runs at 11,000 RPM. It is strong enough for cutting and grinding jobs on metal and concrete. The 2-position side handle gives you better control and makes it easier to use in different angles. The Bosch grinder includes smart features to keep it safe and lasting longer. The airflow system moves dust away from the tool's inside parts. This helps prevent damage and keeps the grinder running well. It also has a burst protection guard that you can adjust quickly. This guard keeps you safe from flying bits while you work. The service minder brush system turns off the tool when it's time for a checkup, so you don't have to guess when it needs care. The tool is made for easy use. It comes with a large spindle lock for fast disc changes. Inside the box, you get 1 side handle, 1 wheel guard, 1 flange kit, 1 spanner wrench, and a 4.5-inch grinding disc. The Bosch GWS 8-45 is a great choice for both home users and pros. It gives you comfort, power, and safety in one compact tool. Number 1. DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max Angle Grinder. Finally, the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max Angle Grinder is the winner for today. The DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max Angle Grinder is a strong and cordless tool. It runs on a 60V battery, sold separately, and gives power like a 13-amp corded grinder. With a no-load speed of 9,000 RPM, it works well with both 4.5-inch and 6-inch wheels. This grinder is made for tough jobs. It can cut, grind, and polish many materials with ease. The brushless motor gives up to 30% more power than the older DCG 414 model. You get strong performance without being tied to a cord. The tool is also built with safety in mind. The kickback brake stops the wheel fast if it senses a pinch or stall. It can stop in just 1.5 seconds when using a standard 4.5-inch grinding wheel. This helps protect you from sudden movement. It also has an e-clutch system that shuts the motor off in less than a second during a stall. This makes the tool safer and helps prevent damage. These features are part of DeWalt's Perform and Protect line, which focuses on user safety. The DeWalt FlexVolt grinder is strong, smart, and safe. It gives you the freedom of cordless with the power of corded tools. This makes it a great choice for both home users and professionals who need top performance and protection. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.